In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on Google Sites quickly and easily. Sometimes, working in a language that you're more comfortable with can significantly enhance your productivity and understanding, especially when it comes to managing websites. Fortunately, Google Sites, like many other Google products, allows for easy customization, including changing the language to suit your preferences. To get started, open your favorite web browser and head over to Google. The search bar at the top of your screen is a handy tool, so type in Google Sites and hit Enter. You'll see Google Sites as one of the first options, commonly appearing at the top of your search results. Click on that link to be directed to the main Google Sites landing page where the fun begins. Once on the Google Sites page, find the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. It appears as a three-line icon, often referred to as a hamburger menu in web design lingo. Click on this icon to open a submenu that holds various options for site customization. Among these options, you will see Settings. Go ahead and click on it. Settings often hold the key to customization, including language changes, so don't hesitate to dive in here. After selecting Settings, you'll come across another menu where you'll find the option labeled Language. Clicking on this will lead you to a list of different languages supported by Google Sites. This is the moment to choose the language that you wish to set as the default for your Google Sites experience. Whether you're more fluent in Spanish, French, Mandarin, or any other language on the list, select the one that will make your navigation and site management smoother. With your preferred language chosen, don't forget to finalize your changes by clicking the Save button. This is a crucial step as it ensures your new language settings are applied across your Google Sites interface. After saving your changes, you should notice an immediate switch to the language you've selected. And that's it. You're all set with your new language preference on Google Sites. By following these simple steps, you can make your Google Sites experience more intuitive and tailored to your linguistic preferences. If you find yourself needing to switch back or choose another language, just repeat these steps. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it enhances your experience with Google Sites. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make your web management tasks easier. Thanks for watching, and happy site building.